Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to stretch your text. First, select the Artistic Text tool and type your text. Now change the font to Barn Schrift and increase the size. Next, select your text layer, right-click and choose Convert to Curves. You will notice that your layer becomes a group and contains all the letters of the text. You can select any letter and make changes to it. Here, I'm going to select all the letters. I click on the first letter, hold Shift, then click on the last letter. Now select the nodes you want to affect and drag them down to see the stretch effect. Here is your stretched text. Don't forget to subscribe.